Hello guys, so we are going to Kerala, which is called like God's own country. We will start from Kochi and see port and beautiful colonial building. After that we will go to Alleppey and have an experience of backwater. After that we will do surfing first time in Varkala and it is beautiful beaches. After that we will go to Tirunelveli and see the richest temple in the world. So we are all set for Kerala. Let's go. So I reached Kochi International Airport and now waiting for the cab. Hey guys, so I reached hostel for our first day stay. Hey guys, so we are now going to Kashi Art Cafe and having breakfast. Hello guys, so we went for the shopping and we find this pretty good taxi. So now we are going to Indo-Portuguese museum and see it. So this is the way we are. The beach here is Mahatma Gandhi beach. So we will have our awesome Mediterranean seafood here and we will see the beach. Yep. Palace. So guys, we are now heading to see the sunset. Let's go. Hello guys, so after a hectic schedule we come to Segul restaurant and it is famous for the port view.